Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best welcome decorations is probably one of the most impactful ways to set the tone for your home or event, instantly conveying warmth and personality to anyone who steps through your door. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, rustic charm, a sleek and modern aesthetic, or a festive holiday vibe, the right welcome decorations can transform an ordinary entryway into a captivating first impression, making guests feel cherished and setting the stage for memorable experiences. These carefully chosen pieces not only enhance your property's curb appeal but also serve as a delightful expression of your unique style and hospitality, ensuring that every arrival is met with a smile and a sense of belonging. Number 5. Welcome Home Balloon Banner Set 24-pack. Make their homecoming extra special with this beautiful balloon banner set. It's the perfect way to welcome loved ones back home. This comprehensive 24-pack includes everything for a stunning display. You'll find letter balloons, star balloons, latex balloons, and ribbon, all in a gorgeous rose gold hue. The balloons come in generous sizes, with letters at 16 inches and stars at 18 inches, ensuring a grand statement. They are designed to add a touch of elegance to any celebration. Assembly is a breeze. Inflate the individual letters and arrange them to create a personalized welcome message. It's a fun family activity that adds a unique touch to your decorations. Hang them anywhere, indoors or outdoors. These decorations are perfect for fireplaces, walls, gardens, or even as table centerpieces. They create a festive atmosphere for any occasion. Ideal for family reunions, military homecomings, graduations, baby showers, and more. These balloons provide a memorable backdrop for photos and a joyous welcome. What we like. This set offers a beautiful rose gold color scheme with a variety of balloons, including letters and stars. It's perfect for those who enjoy a hands-on approach to decorating and want a personalized touch. If you are looking for a cohesive and elegant theme for a family reunion or a special homecoming, this is a great choice. What people say. These balloons have held up for over 6 weeks. And they look great. The mylar letters were quick and easy to blow up. It was durable and lasted for a month. We took it down after 3 weeks, but it still looked good. Number 4. Welcome Back Balloon Banner Decorations Kit. Get ready to celebrate your return with this comprehensive decoration kit. It includes everything you need to make a grand statement. This package features 66 pieces, including letter balloons that spell, "Welcome Back," star banners, and shimmering confetti balloons. You'll have a variety of balloons to create a festive atmosphere. Ideal for homecomings, back-to-school events, classroom parties, or any reunion. It's a versatile decoration that adds a special touch to any welcome celebration. Setting up is a breeze. The balloons and banners come flat and are easy to inflate with the included straw. Simply assemble and hang them wherever you desire. To ensure your decorations look their best, avoid overfilling the balloons. Enjoy your beautifully decorated space. What we like. This kit provides a generous 66 pieces, ensuring a full and festive atmosphere. It's specifically designed for welcome back occasions, making it ideal for schools or any group celebrating a return. If you need to make a big statement for a back-to-school event or a group homecoming, this comprehensive set will definitely impress. What people say. It was very easy to put together. The package did not include instructions for airing up the foil balloons, but after going to the product page, I was able to inflate without any problem. It was easy to inflate, stayed inflated for 4 days over the weekend. Number 3. Welcome Home Hanging Swirls Decor. Celebrate a special homecoming with our unique hanging decorations. This set is designed to make your loved one feel truly welcomed back. Featuring a classic black and gold color scheme with fun, welcome home patterns, these decorations create a vibrant party atmosphere. They're perfect for making your celebration memorable. Whether it's a return from studies, military service, or overseas, these decorations are ideal for any homecoming event. They add a festive touch to any gathering. No assembly required. Each decoration comes with a hook, making it simple to hang them up anywhere you choose. Decorating has never been easier. Crafted from high-quality materials, these decorations are built to last. You can use them to welcome home guests for years to come. These eye-catching swirls are sure to impress your guests and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. They are perfect for photo backdrops and creating lasting memories. What we like. This option features eye-catching hanging swirls in a classic black and gold design, adding a dynamic element to your decor. It's incredibly easy to set up, as everything comes pre-assembled. If you're looking for a quick and stylish way to decorate for a homecoming or a family member's return, and you appreciate a touch of elegance without the fuss, these are perfect. What people say. These decorations were fun to hang and beautiful. Very good quality, easy to decorate. Looks beautiful. Number 2. Sattiyrch roundwood welcome sign. Add a touch of rustic charm to your home with this beautifully crafted welcome sign. Its unique design is sure to make a great first impression. Made from durable wood and adorned with a classic buffalo plaid bow and lifelike greenery, this sign is built to last. It's a perfect blend of style and sturdiness. Measuring 11.8 inches in diameter, this welcome sign makes a statement without being overwhelming. It's designed to be a focal point for your entryway. Hang it on your front door, back door, or even an entryway wall. It's ideal for greeting guests and adds character to any space, from homes to businesses. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This seasonal decor piece is perfect for housewarmings, holidays, weddings, and any celebration. It's a warm and inviting present for new homeowners. What we like. This charming round wooden sign brings a rustic farmhouse feel to your entryway. It's adorned with a buffalo plaid bow and lifelike greenery, creating a warm and inviting first impression. If you prefer a classic, welcoming aesthetic for your front door or entryway and want a durable, seasonal decor piece, this sign is an excellent choice. What people say. The welcome sign is made of durable wood and can be used for a long time. The interchangeable seasonal signs allow for easy customization throughout the year. The farmhouse-inspired design adds a charming touch to the entryway. Number 1. Motivational posters for classroom decor. Transform your classroom or office with our vibrant motivational posters. They are designed to bring positivity and encouragement to any learning or working environment. You'll receive a set of 13 posters, including the full welcome letters and 6 inspiring quote designs. Everything you need to create an uplifting atmosphere. These posters feature a colorful and bright design that is sure to grab attention. Let them help you and others maintain a positive attitude and boost self-confidence. Our welcome letters are a convenient 8 by 10 inches, while the quote posters measure a larger 11 by 14 inches. They are perfectly sized for impactful wall decorations. Crafted with durable, double-sided lamination, these posters are water-resistant and dry erasable. They are made to withstand daily use and remain looking great. Perfect for a wide range of settings, these welcome posters are ideal for bulletin boards, classrooms, schools, gyms, homeschooling, or your personal office space. What we like. This set includes motivational posters with inspirational quotes and welcome letters, designed to create a positive and engaging environment. They are laminated for durability and are perfect for educational settings. If you are a teacher, school counselor, or anyone looking to foster a positive and inspiring atmosphere in a classroom, school, or home office, these posters are ideal. What people say. The posters held up very well. The color quality is excellent and did not fade. Well made, colorful and eye-catching. Ready to hang up, no lamination needed. Big time saver. Colorful and thought-provoking, hopefully, and encouraging. The posters were laminated and hung up with double-sided magnetic tape, on classroom metal cabinets closets. Practical, durable, effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.